You have not experienced Cape Town until you have cruised.
Life in and around the Victoria and Alfred Basin is busy. On this trip, you will come across resident seals, to international ships visiting our shores. Hop on the waterfront harbour, cruise to see the city in a new light, and to learn more about Cape Town's proud nautical history. Come and see the Cape Fur seals, hear about Cape Town nautical history, listen to the legends and stories of the V&A, get up close to view the seals and ships' regular departure times, and travel in comfort and safety in the open air. Know before you go. Have your camera ready for the Cape Fur seal. That's a beautiful sight. One of the best ways to explore the V&A waterfront harbour, the oldest working harbour in South Africa, view the SAS Somerset boom defence system, and the bascule bridge and other intriguing attractions of the harbour. It's fun and family friendly, of course, and you can join on the many cruises. Departing from the Getty, outside the Two Oceans Aquarium, the V&A waterfront, the waterfront harbour cruise puts Cape Town bustling harbour in the spotlight. Expect to see key attractions including icons of the maritime history, as well as the epic view of the city's natural landscape. Highlights include the SAS Somerset, the only remaining boom vessel in the entire world. That's a good thing. And the Southern Hemisphere's largest synchro lift, and the only drawbridge, the bascule bridge. The cruise also includes view of Table Mountain, the Nelson Mandela Gateway, the Chavon's Battery Museum, and the well-known Clock Tower. Of course, experiencing the bustling waterways of Cape Town from a boat is a highlight by itself, and this cruise offers a perspective of the city that no other cruise can offer.